Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and until I get back to doing live shows, I'm not sure when that will be, hopefully sooner than later, but until then, I will be doing this commentary on some of the videos that I released earlier in the week or the week before. These are usually AI generated videos. I create a script using ChatGPT, modify that script, send it through another program. Miraculously, it creates a whole video. Insane. This is probably where videos are going. Who knows, maybe short films, full-blown cinematic movies. I don't know. AI is very, very scary, but this is not about AI. It is about dents in your head. Now, I did release a video about this, and I didn't know anything about it until I saw a video on TikTok pop up. And this guy here, I don't know if you can see him, but if you search for Headphone Dent TikTok, you'll find tons of videos on this. And it's actually true. This is the video that I released earlier in the week or the week before. I'm not sure which, but have a listen.
Can you develop an indentation in your head from wearing a headset or headphones?
Apparently, yes, you can.
Yes, you can develop a temporary indentation on the top of your head from wearing headphones or headsets for extended periods, particularly if the headband is tight or has significant pressure. This indentation or discomfort is often referred to colloquially as a headphone dent or headset dent. It's typically temporary and goes away after some time once the pressure is relieved. You can check to see if you have a dent by slowly moving your hand over the top of your head. Also, if you shave your head or you are bald, then it will be quite visible. To minimize the risk of this discomfort, you can try the following. Adjust the headband. Make sure the headband is adjusted to a comfortable and secure fit. Avoid wearing it too tightly. Choose comfortable headphones. Look for headphones or headsets with cushioned headbands and ear cushions to distribute pressure more evenly. Take regular breaks. If you wear headphones for extended periods, take breaks to allow your head and ears to rest. Try different headphones. Experiment with different headphone styles and brands to find a pair that fits comfortably and doesn't cause undue pressure. While this dent from wearing headphones or a headset can occur, it's generally temporary and not a serious health concern. However, if you experience persistent pain, discomfort, or skin irritation, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for guidance and to rule out any underlying issues. Hope you found this video helpful.
So yeah, I mean, this is kind of scary, right? I mean, if you were shaving your head, this is what this particular guy was doing live online. And as he was shaving his head, he noticed this huge indentation from wearing headphones or a headset. Unbelievable. Now, it will go away. It is temporary, but if you continually do this, I suspect you might have issues. It's probably compressing your head as well. You could get migraines from it. And what about kids? So this is a little bit concerning, not for me per se, but for everyone else out there, because I actually don't wear headphones a lot. And when I do, it's for maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes, and that is it. So just be careful. I mean, like I said before, I didn't know anything about this until I saw it kind of pop up in my feed. So, scary, pretty scary. Something else that we have to worry about, I guess. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to do more of these, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, remember to subscribe, share, like, comment, consider becoming a Patreon. Also, you might want to pick up, and unfortunately, the motherboard tray is not removable t-shirt, and I will see you in the next one.